In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a proxy on Google Chrome. Setting up a proxy server can be a valuable tool for various reasons, whether you're aiming to browse more privately, access geo-blocked content, or manage your network traffic more effectively. This tutorial will guide you through the straightforward steps of configuring a proxy server in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 vertically aligned dots. These dots represent the Chrome menu. Click on them to reveal a drop-down list of options. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. This will redirect you to the main Chrome settings page where you can adjust various preferences related to your browsing experience. In the Settings menu, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled System and click on it. This section is where you'll find settings related to your computer's system configurations as they interact with Chrome. Within the System section, there's an option that says Open your computer's proxy settings. Click on this option to proceed. Once you do this, a new window will pop up, which is the Windows settings, specifically focusing on how your device connects to the internet. Here, you have options for both automatic and manual proxy setup. Our focus today is on manual configuration, so you'll want to scroll down to Manual Proxy Setup. Now, locate the toggle switch under Manual Proxy Setup to turn Use a Proxy Server on. When you switch it on, you'll notice that more fields become visible on the screen. The 2 critical pieces of information you'll need here are the proxy IP address and the port number. These are typically provided by your proxy service provider, so have them handy before you start this process. Enter your proxy IP address in the designated field, and similarly, input the port number in its respective box. Double-check these entries to make sure they are correct, as any typos or mistakes can prevent your proxy from functioning correctly. Finally, after entering the required details, look for the Save button to apply your new proxy settings. Clicking Save will ensure that your configuration is retained and ready for use. From this point on, your connection through Google Chrome will be routed via the specified proxy server, giving you the enhanced functionality you're looking for. This wraps up our tutorial on setting a proxy on Google Chrome. Take a few moments to test your connection and make sure everything is running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.